entire flight crew of Southwest Airlines, welcome to Las Vegas. Please remain seated, your seatbelts fastened, seat back and tray table in that full upright locked position. All those paradigms stay right where they're at. Once the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, please be careful when opening the overhead vents, as items may have shifted and could fall out. You may now use the cellular functions on those small portable electronic devices as long as within arm's reach. But again, just keep all their cameras right where they are. If you're making a connection here, and there's a lot of you, go and check those TV monitors for most up-to-date date and time information. If you're continuing on flight 1070 with us to Burbank, please remain in that original seat. Kelly will come from the back. Once I have an accurate through count, I will let you switch seats and use the lavatories. But again, if you're going on with us to Burbank, please just remain in that original seat for us. Dig around those seat back pockets, all around those seats. Make sure you have your cell phones, your AirPods, your wallets, your passports, any other personal electronic items. Once you exit this aircraft, you'll not be permitted to step back on this aircraft and retrieve those items. So again, make sure you looked around your seats. Please be advised for any children you are supervised. Ground servicing here in Las Vegas. The forward and afterwards will be open, so just make sure you exit the same way you came in. We certainly have enjoyed sharing a part of our early morning with you. You guys go and have a great weekend coming up. Come back and see us again real soon. And thanks so much for choosing Southwest. Welcome to Las Vegas.